It's Christmas Day. I'm out at the laundromat. I actually came here looking for a place near the beach, a park near the beach. And Apple Maps brought me here. So I used the laundromat. Now I've got a nice clean sleeping bag. And I got to use a dumpster to get rid of stuff that I've been saving. I'm kind of a pack rat, keeping crap. Turns out I drove over to the other side of the highway, which is right above me, and found a way down to near the water. So there's my view of the Colorado River. After being in the desert for a few days, this is really pretty. There's a little bit of still water right here where the river fills an empty void. Nice palm tree. This almost looks paradisical, like a paradise. Until you find the graffiti on the other wall. I think naturally the banks of the river are covered in this brush, which is pretty heavy and would kind of bar access to the water, except for this trail I found. Water's absolutely still and beautiful. Get a reflection of the clouds everywhere you look. It is a beautiful day. Nice place to hang out right here. But as we know, the grass is always greener on the other side, where there appears to be more or less a beach. I basically have an idyllic scene, and all I need is a rock to give you some beautiful waves. A quick switch to some graffiti. If you don't want to know where it is, it's exit 17 at Ehrenberg. There's my bus. There's the bridge. And there's the elusive river. Back to the laundromat, pick up my stuff, my drying, and what did I find? It's closed. It's totally reasonable on Christmas Day, so I'll have to come back tomorrow. There's no way I can introduce or explain what you're about to see. But I'm happy I had to revisit the laundromat. So if you're looking for a Seagrave fire truck, call Kathy. I think we all want to hear what that siren sounds like. Well, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And come back to see what I find tomorrow.